Dadu, what is permaculture?
It's difficult to answer. So I think it's best if we walk through the forest and just talk about it with you. I know that we're in a hurry because you have to get back to your nature camp, but maybe we can just take a slight detour into the woods and find some answers in nature. Permaculture is mostly just a word that means permanent agriculture. You see, everyone needs to eat, and permaculture is about how we can grow food in ways that are permanent. Think of it like this: we've been practicing industrial farming for the past few hundred years. Cornfields, industrial cattle ranches, massive orchards. But it's not working very well anymore. We only get low yields, lots of problems with pollution, and soil erosion. That's why people everywhere are starting to talk about switching to more natural systems where we use less energy, build up our soils, share our resources, and minimize our waste.